I came down, I run to a fellow named Ray, who said him and another fellow had put the fire out, and it was one of the couches. And I went and had a look, and when I saw it, I just knew that it was a hard-out arson, and I got a real bad feeling that it wasn't over. So I decided that I was going to get out of there in the morning, but I was going to stay up all night. Going to make myself a coffee, needed some sort of help to stay up all night. And one of the boys, he was nuking up some pork, and while talking to him, he said, "Where's all the smoke coming from?" And he was looking around the ovens, and I looked around the kitchen, couldn't see any. I looked in the hallway, and it was coming through the door. So I said to him, "I'll go have a look." Go up down, discovered 2 rooms fully engulfed, going for it. Black smoke's just pluming out, doing it. I couldn't imagine smoke coming out through a closed door as strongly and as fiercely as it was. It was like it was being fan assisted. It was unreal. If I hadn't seen the couch and believed what I believed, I would have just gone to bed and died like my neighbours, Yeah, them, he was my next door neighbour. He's kind and gentle. He shouldn't have died like that. Liam was a good fella. Sharing, caring. He didn't deserve to die like that. Loafers Lodge, there's a lot of really good people in there, but there was also a few really bad people, and you just had to be wary who you made friends with. So any friends you did make, you cherished because you knew they were genuine and would have your back,